Buttonhole worked in a double stockinette band. Place a stitch marker in the middle of your band. Make sure that both halves have an even number of stitches. Work in double stockinette stitch to the marker. Slip one stitch with yarn in front, knit one, slip one, knit one, and repeat to marker. Turn. Work 2 more rows to the marker. This half of the band has now 3 extra rows. For a bigger buttonhole, continue 2 more rows. Cut the yarn. Starting from the middle, work the second half of your band. Work 3 rows in double stockinette stitch. And for a bigger buttonhole, work 5 rows. Then continue with all stitches. Finally, weave in the ends.